What's up guys, I am on my way to Devyn's house. He's the guy with the blue S13 that has an LS. If you guys haven't seen that, check out some other videos. Here's some clips of it. It sounds amazing. Unfortunately, he's had a little bit of an issue with it, so I'll update you guys when we get there. Well, here's how the 240 sits now. I haven't seen it like this in so long. We relocated the rack and now it's such a pain in the ass. There's the motor, tearing it apart. They found metal shavings in the head. The bearing on number 6 went. Now we're gonna tear it down and see what else we find. Any metal? No? That's sick. So I guess the story is that this motor, we did 2 test days and it was fine, and then one day he goes and revs it and it's got like a knock, and the rod bearing at number 6 was just totally gone. So we'll pull the pan off and we'll take a look at it in a bit. So now that 240 is just gonna sit like this. It's almost a sign that he should have stayed with the RB because he had no issues with this motor for 5 years. We'll get it figured out though. We'll see what's going on. Oh, there's metal in there? Oh yeah, a little bit. Oh yeah. Oh. Nice. Hey. Nice. Oh yeah. Damn.
And this is inside here where the lifter boards are.
Oh.
It looks pretty clean pouring out of it.
So how would it get up into the heads?
Well,
just from the oil pick?
That means it's getting through the pump.
Ah.
You know, it's getting through the pump and getting pushed through the pump into everything. You watch, feel it.
Oh yeah, it's rough.
I mean, you can see a little bit, but it's maybe I'll have to polish it.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
They're worn a little weird.
Is it just the front one, or are they all like that?
Well, you can only see the back one, because I can feel the back one right here. But the ones in the middle, you can't.
So the front and the back?
Yeah, well, probably all of them are like that.
Was that a quick release oil pan?
Yeah. I like put a couple in, I know I just take it back off. I like that. Look at that.
Oh, dude.
Measure shit after.
So here's number 6. You can kind of tell that that looks like a 6. You kind of see it's got like scoring and stuff on it, little like indentations. No bueno. The bearing went on this one.
Besides, like, you can see the material got wedged in them, but...
Yeah, that looks fine. And that's not. And that one looks fine. What the fuck?
Yeah. Holy shit, dude.
This little piece was in that little oil hole on the crank on number 6, and we have no idea what it's for, but it's aluminum. So he's gonna flip it over, get the other side out.
Right?
Yep. A little more. Okay. So we blew some air into the holes to see where the oil would get to from there, and it's coming from down here where the lifters go for the valves. There was a second piece in there that we couldn't get to, but it ended up blowing out when we put the compressed air into it, and there's no other way that it could have got there because with the bearing on it, there's no way to get to that. So somehow it got into the oil passage and ended up at that bearing and blocking it, so that bearing got no oil, and that's no bueno. We just don't know why. We can't figure out where that piece came from. We got the motor all put away. Devyn's going to take it to his machine shop and see what they say about it. Hopefully it's salvageable. Hopefully the crank's still good. Hopefully we get good news with this. For now, his 240 is just gonna sit. So it's actually the next day. We got everything apart like I showed you. We have no idea where that piece that got stuck in that like crank oil passage, not sure what it's called. We don't know where that came from. We didn't find anything like chipped off or anything. Everything looked relatively normal except all the bearings had like scoring on it. So like I said, the machine shop is going to take a look at it and see what they find. He's gonna get all new bearings. Hopefully the cam and the crank are salvageable. possible because they got some scoring on it too. So hopefully maybe a polishing will solve that. And hopefully he gets his car back up soon, because this year he was planning on doing some program stuff. Everything seemed like it was going good until right now. So hopefully he can get everything sorted, get his car back together, and we can do more test days and make sure that his car is good to go. But that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like if you did, comment down below, and then hit that subscribe button. See you guys next time. Peace.